Yeah. So come to the another episode of Trendline. This is we're going to talk about we're going to talk about we're going to talk about types of and uses of trend. We talk about the uses of Trendline. We're going to talk about types of Trendline. We talk about the rules guiding your Trendline. We're going to talk about then we'll go to straight to the type of Trendline, higher probability patterns, and the X factor. Before we close we conclude with the confidence. How do you combine S and R with Trendline? So that's the confidence. That's the confidence anyway. The high probability patterns and the X factors is the confidence. That is this is the combination of S and R and yeah, yeah. These are the three. This is the confidence. Hmm? So let's go straight to the this here to the manual. Oh, good. So the type of I told you about the drawing. So if you draw your trend line very well, it will serve a great purpose for you, especially in taking a breakout trade. Yeah, it serves a great purpose for you. Taking a breakout trade. Then so these are type of trend line we have. We have the regular type, which is this. We have the higher low, higher low, higher low. 1, 2, 3. Raised, you know, in ascending order, you know, raised in ascending order. Then we have that is for buying. This is the regular type. This is for buying. Then this is for sell. This is raised in descending order. A step of 3 step downward. 3 step downward. Then why this is 3 steps upward, right? So where we can find it, we can find it here. We can find it in here. 3 steps. 3 steps downward. Let me check if I can just. Let's check for at least 4 hours. Yeah, like this. We have this here. See it here. Find it here. Yeah. But the trainer does not still invalid there. But it must connect at least 3 upward. We have it. Oh wow, that's good one. That's good one. 1, 2, 3. After the 3, I told the rules that this must not close above. Right, it must not close above. If this one close above it, it is invalid, right? But as long as we have 1, 2, 3 here, and this thing here, it's so then you see the power of drawing your logical about your trend line now. This is connected into this, so that you don't just draw here and leave it like this. No, you make sure that the point connects with the S and R. I mean, 2 points connect with an S and R. So that when you can imagine, come straight to it here. Then we have your this here, your S and R. You can imagine good combination there, good combination. But we never come to that. When we come to that, we know about this S and R plus trend line. This is a good combination. This is an SNR, this is a trend line. That's a good combination. You sell here immediately. You sell here. When you see a withdraw, like this, you sell. And because you see another, you can see another this thing. Another this thing here. And because if you look very carefully, you see that this is what? This is a liquidity sweep, a liquidity sweep, a liquidity sweep. This is what the Malaysians did not mention in their DC, in any of their teachings. Yeah, either chemists or Snackator or Arif or the rest of them. They never mentioned this. You can imagine this. Once you see a graph like this, that happens to this SNR, and it connects with what? With the third point. I mean, after third point, with your trend line. That's a very powerful, it's a very powerful signal. It's a very powerful signal. So when you have a withdrawal back, you go straight to your lower time frame, to your CI. And when you even see a close below this, because we have 1, 2, 3, another one here, SNR. At the same 1 week, it draws back in all of them. So that is the regular trend line. That's the regular trend line. We have the one of we have this here. See this? You can see this. Let's see if we can connect this. Can you imagine this? Let's connect this with this. With this. You can see this now. We enter. We have this in here. Yeah, we have it here. Gym. This is the regular. This for buy, why the other for area, this for sell, right? So that's where we get this in there. That was a regular type of trend line. First regular type. This is another one here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Connect. Connect it. Wow. Good one. Good one. Good one. 1, 2, 3. If we come to engulfing, you understand something. I'm going to show you this one powerful secret here. Yeah. Engulfing. Powerful. 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 So we got that. Then we have another one here. No. So you can go to a lower time frame too. If you get it in the lower time frame, like 15. But the best, the higher the best to use from 4 hours and above as your setup, right? From 4 hours and above as your setup. But if you get it in a lower time frame, there could be a lot of this in the lower time frame. You can see right now that this thing is what is. We have this. We have this. We have this. No. This is it. Another good one. Another good one here. Can you see this? Another good one here. We connect 1, 2, 3. We connect. We connect. Zoom. You see, we have SNR here. SNR. Look at if there's a connection to the SNR. There's a connection, right? Then you see a liquidity graph here. See the liquidity. This breed does not go above this, but this one grabs it here. Can you see it? Just like we have in this met in SMC. Liquidity graph there. Liquidity graph. Can you see that? And what do you have? Gym. You can also draw your trend line like this. Let's see if it's no, it does not connect like that. No. I want to see it connect with this point here. Let's see if it connects with this. Let's see the third line. Let's no, there's connection. Wow! Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, let me see this connection here. Oh, connection there. I'm just trying to see if there's a connection that connects with this here like this. Want to look something like this. Want to look something like this. They're able to give us this, but then we don't have it, so we leave that out. We leave that one out. I just you can only you may depend on this thing alone. You understand what I'm telling you? We come to this. We come into this very soon. We come into this. We come into this, right? Oh la la! What is this? See the tap. Sell. What is it? Liquidity grab here. You sell immediately. You don't even need to go to lower time frame. This 15 minutes. Scalp. Going to scalp it. Surplus above here. You can put layers of cells there. Then put your stop loss either above here, or here, or at the top of this. You know, if you want to give a tight stop loss, you can imagine that's good sell there. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Opportunity are bounds here. Opportunity are bounds. So this one has taken out. You don't. It's invalid. I know I told you that this thing must not close above. It's invalid. You only want to see a kind of this thing. Yeah, like what we have here. You see, don't candlestick close above, right? No candlestick close above. That's 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we got that in 15 minutes. So then there's a powerful one here. That is another one of a pattern of a trend line. Another type of trend line. Another type of trend line. So that is for this. We know I've shown you different pattern of this. Now, then we go to breakout. Breakout, then we go to trend line divergence. Let's see breakouts. How do you identify this trend? You need to play with your trend line like that so that you can master them. You can print out this thing and place it in your wall, by your side or by the side of your table, trading desk, so I'll be able to see it. Let it form your this thing. You understand? Let it form your everyday stuff. So that it can glue. The more it glued to your mental image, the more you create it as a mental image in your mind, the more you see it becomes. Yeah. So we have this breakouts. We have this breakouts. Can we get a breakout here? I'm seeing a breakout here. Seeing a breakout here. This is a breakout. Is it a breakout? Yeah, breakout here. Oh God, la la. Oh God. This is sweet. Oh la la. This is sweet. Can you see? You don't even need, no, this one does not need much trading plan, does not need much this. You just look out for where they touch. Because after the 3 point connection, look out for where this is touch and it close above it. That is just it. That is just it. So this one does not really have money. I think I do liquidity graph or whatever. It has liquidity graph. Yeah, it has liquidity graph. This liquidity graph here. This liquidity graph here. Let's liquidity graph. And it connects with this it connects with this SNR gap. Connect with it. You connect with it here. Connect it, So, and we have that. What we have that. We have that. Where is it again? We can imagine. This is the connection. You see the X power we are talking about. Let's not move. Let's go still continue to do the normal breakouts. We are still in breakout. When we come to export, we exploit more of that in that angle. Yeah, breakouts, breakouts, breakouts. We've got a breakout here for buy. We got another breakout here for buy. For buy. No, this one does not. They go for buy. Therefore, sell. Do we have a breakout for sell? A breakout, a breakout, a breakout, a breakout, a breakout. We're looking at, let's go back to the pattern. Let's go back to the pattern. Please practice, practice, practice. To check, open up your chart to see many of these. Open up your chart, please. Open up your chart to practice with this trend line. Open up your chart. So we want to see breakouts. We have shown one of these. So we are looking for this, right? We're looking for that. We're looking for that. Do we have does it connect with breakouts? No. This is what we got here. Because this start is the breakouts here we have here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have the DC is allowed. That is allowed. 1, 2, 3. If you have 3 here, then the fourth point comes here. Is allowed. It's allowed. Different people have different, but there are many. There are many. You can imagine for under this mentorship here, we have almost about different, see the angle here, different angle of more than 3 angle of QML. You can imagine. So different people has their own. It depends on what you discover on your own alone. What depends on what you discover on your own. Yeah, and if it is recursive, a recursive pattern, you flow with it. Flow with that's all. So we get a breakout. There a breakout here. Let's see if there's a breakout here. You're going to play with the chart. You're going to play with chart. You want to play with it. You got the breakout here. You connect the third line there. Oh la la, you have a breakout here. There's a connection between this indice here, S and R. You see? So that's a breakout there. You got a breakout, got a breakout, got a breakout, got a breakout. Does it connect the breakout? Does it give us a good breakout? Does this give us a breakout? Does it give us a good breakout? Oh, it doesn't. It's small. Oh, it's small, just small. Just small. Just small. Touch. So let's take it to let's do volatility 75. Let's do volatility 75 and see different this. This 4 hours. Volatility 75. 4 hours. 4 hours. Do we have a breakout here? Trying to see here. We have a breakout here. The breakouts. My God, my God. And because this is an SNR, and now, see it here. See it here. A connection there, good connection. Straight line, straight in a straight line. Can you see that? Got a good connection there. A breakout, good breakout. As price tap into the after the third point, price tap into this 1, 2. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. And price tap into it. Yeah. You can also use this. You can also use this. It's a mistake there. Okay, I connected it, not this one, not this one at the bottom. Okay. Yeah. You don't give up on trend line. Don't give up. If you go for another time frame to see a pattern, go for another. You don't give up. You don't give up. Opportunity may abound in another pattern. You may not know. Opportunity may abound. This is not. You don't have a trade there. You don't force it. You don't force a trend line. I'm still looking for more breakouts. You can get more breakouts. And get more breakouts. Still looking for more breakouts. So tap into breakout. Does it break? Does it really break? Or maybe we can get it up. Breakout. What about this? What about this? Let's connect this. I need to play with it. I need to play with it. Want to see if price will touch here. Go to candle. Oh, it doesn't touch. Doesn't touch. It doesn't touch. You must ability to identify pattern matters a lot here. To identify pattern matters a lot. Matters. Yeah, we have this as breakouts. Have this as breakouts. No. So we go here. This might that. Maybe the spot pattern I've told you matters a lot here. So you can also do 30 minutes and do 30 minutes. I told you don't relax. Don't relax. Don't relax. We are going to move into this now. Yeah, this pattern. This pattern here. This pattern. We're going to move into this now. So that is how we break. I'm going to check the breakouts. Going to check for breakouts. So we get another one here. I think this should be a breakout. Good breakout. Wow. Wow. You can see the pattern there. See the pattern? You can see the pattern there. This breakout here, this one. So let's go to this thing because of time. So if you put your this thing here, after the third point, good point to buy. Then trend line divergence. Trend line divergence is simply when you have a this thing, like 3 drives moving up or down. Then you have your this thing diverging at that trend line. trend line. Let's see if we can get it here now. Something like this. I think we get it here now. Get it here. This second, this third. You get it like this. Then we have our trend line, our DC here, your stuff here. So that's for divergence is somehow confusing to get. But to me, it's a practice. It's a practice thing. You practice it, you get it, you understand it. You will, you understand it. If you put it into practice, you understand it. Let's go to 1 hour. So we're still looking for divergence to see if we get a divergence. It's not the divergence. This 1, 2, 3. That stuff. Does this bring us to the part? It is what we need to do. You get a divergence. Yes, we have a divergence. Yeah, a divergence. It is irregular stuff. 3-step descending or down. Yeah, 3-step descending. 3-step ascending here. So you can just focus the one that you can see you can master very well. So let's leave. If you cannot get, just master that this is the divergence. 1, 2, 3. Just look at the one that works for you. That's why it is good to practice. Yeah, practice the one that will master you. Well, I have my own favorite types, like this GML and stuff. Yeah, I have my favorite type that I'm going to sit now and then here. Every time frame, you must have a setting. Every time frame, even if it is 5 minutes, you still get the setting there. We still get the setting there. Could this be a divergence? Could this be a divergence? Yeah, it's a divergence. It's a divergence. No price close below. So you have your what? You have your DC from here to this. So price is moving in a straight line. Why did this is diverging upward? That's the divergence. That's the divergence for you. That's the divergence for you. Do we have a divergence here? Yeah, have a divergence there. Then we have this as what? As a S and R, S and R. The point 3 must come below it. For cell, the point 3 must go above an S and R. That is one of the rules there from this guy, RFC. This is a divergence. No, it does not connect to. You cannot close this. See, it breaks above. Under this, this is the one we are going to talk about now. Yeah, let's quickly rush into that. We love this. I really want you to master this. They want you to master this. They want you to master this. Yeah, something like this. Is it here? No. I think I put it on. It's my own research out stuff. Yeah, it's under my own stuff. Yo, 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 yo. So we'll talk about this when we just then yeah, this is one I'm my favorite, my best favorite, my favorite. Yeah, yeah. So you may have it as 3 points, you may have it as you may have it as whichever way you want to look at it. You may have it as this. You may have it as so you may have it as this. You have it as this. May come as this. May come as this. Then comes one. I see that. Then you have your trend line. Sorry, this connecting 3, right? Connecting the 3. So this is 1, 2, 3.4. So this place will be your what? It will be your cell area. It will be your cell area. So this is QML, QML, QML SNR or head and shoulder pattern. But this is not the typical head and shoulder pattern because the symmetrical does not need to be equal of equal range. It could be like this. You can have something like this. Have it like this. Have it like this. Then finally we have it like this. The far distance stuff. So this one will not connect. This is 1, 2. Have this like this. So that's the top point. We have something like that. We have something like that. So it doesn't have to be of equal range. It isn't between the 1 and 2, 3. It doesn't have to be of equal range. You can have this here. You can have this here. Extending to this place. You can have this here. So while you may have this as this, you can have this like this. And I have this as this, then this place is extended far in far range. Yeah, I have it as that. As that. So that is it. But the most important part is this. Like this, like this, like this. Sometimes you have a miss here. Then you have a break to this. Have a self here. Opportunity to self here. Sometimes you have a pattern like this. Pattern will come in this form. Pattern will come in this form. Come in that form. So this one becomes 1, 2, 3. So that's what happens here. That's for cell, right? It's what we have here. That's what we have here. Can you see that in this? Is it 5 minutes? You can imagine if under this 5 minutes, we have it here under this 5 minutes. We have it here under this 5 minutes. We have it here. Under the 5 minutes. Under the 5 minutes, we have it here. See it. We have it here. And finally, can imagine this breakout here. That means it connects, this breaker connects from here to this. Then connects this. Imagine this in here. Then we have our stuff here. I have this. You can see different pattern of this PML. Different pattern of PML. You can see different pattern. And price moves downward. So that's the logic. That's the logic. Yeah, like what happened here. PML. Price moves. You see this place. 1, 2, 3. After the third point. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. After the top point, and you can see this here, another pattern here below this place. That's a good confidence. That's a good confidence. We have a breakout there. It's not good. It's not in the combination. So yeah, we have this here. See it? See it? 1, 2, 3. Now price moves down. Price moves down. Price moves down. Oh boy, see here. See it like this. See the line here. See that one at which I told you this relative 75. You can imagine your DC here. Good pattern here to follow. Good pattern here. Imagine that. You can also see this here. You see that? Connect. This is the left shoulder. This is the right shoulder. The right shoulder. The right shoulder. See this? See this? 15 minutes. This is QML. Then if you watch back, you must get what? You must get a kind of this here. You must get a kind of SNR or a zone. You must carry a zone. The head must be in a zone. The head will be in a zone. In a zone. The head will be in a zone. See the zone here. This is zone. This is another zone. This is a zone. I see that. It's a zone. Drop, base, drop. Drop, brace, drop. You see this, that 5 minutes, I show you that the other time. Then one thing, when we come to what you need to look out for the check is your trend line. What you need to look at, what makes it to be more stronger. Yeah, how many things you need to look out for in your trend line, in your trend line point. At each point, what do you need to check out for? At each point, what do you need to check out for? This is 15 minutes. This 15 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes. Let's explore 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's explore. That's close below. That's close above. We will take that. We will take that. We will take that. Except this, see this, the regular, this is the regular stuff. This is regular, this is the regular stuff. We have a connection here. Good connection. Good one. Massive. 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 And you see move. You see move. And you see that? What do you see here? 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 Just guess what do you see here at this point? That's engulfing. So take note of that. At each level of the touch, there must be a engulfing. See engulfing. See engulfing. See engulfing. Right? See engulfing. At each level of touch, there's an engulfing. So let's finish up with the type of trend line we have. We're going to finish up. So I've shown you the KMS trend line. Trend line. Then I've shown you the DC too, the regular type. The regular type. Then let's exploit this one here. Let's exploit this one here. This one here. Something that makes like this, a shape like this. A shape like this. I'm talking about the shape now. You see the shape. Sometimes it comes like this. You will say it like this. This one will be 1, 2, 3 points. Sometimes it is raised above. Like this. So this will be a miss. Yeah. Then for buy, you have it like this. You have it like this. You have it like this. Yeah. So we now look out for what? Connect this place. Let it be straight. Yeah. So this is what we look out for. So that this place will come to touch here. Come to touch here. Sometimes it draws back. So you see the same pattern. Yeah. See the same pattern. So you see it in different variation. See that in different variation. Different variation. Let's see if we have this. Oh, we have this here. So this camel, this camel, camel. Hmm? Yeah, this another good one here. Hmm? And another one here. Hmm? Break up. So this will break up. Just this will break up. No, no candle touch. See that regular type. Hmm? See the regular type. Not the type. Not the type. So that is type of trend line, 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 hmm? Type of trend line. So we're able to exploit different this here. See that irregular type, the other side of it. See it here. Can you see it? Can you see it here? Hmm? See price. Hmm? So, and once price comes into this place, hmm? Let's see where this is. Want to see? Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la, oh la la. So what do you have here? See this must be below it. S and R must be below it. S and R must be below it. Yeah, S and R must be below it. So once you see a breakout of this place, right? So you don't need to waste that. Just go straight. This is an engulfing here, right? It's an engulfing, engulfing, engulfing. At each point, at each point, you have a gulf. You can imagine the good this thing here. Hmm? Imagine the stuff there. You can refine it lower using your 4 hours of thereabouts. Hmm? So you set up your buy and buy right above this place. You go lower, please. Then later on, you have it as target here. Target here, right? So this is almost about times 5. Times 5. This daily chart. This daily chart. Now imagine that. Mhm. It's a wizard. It's a wizard. It's a wizard. We're talking of this place now, the regular type of it, the regular type of a break. of this thing, right? The regular type of bit. This place here, this one here, this one, this one, this one. We talk about it, and then talk about this, and then we go straight to the KMLs. So we show different pattern of KML. This is the divergence, right? The divergence, trend divergence. But this one will going up, is set around probably a straight line, a straight horizontal line. A straight. So how is type of trend line we have? Type of trend line. Type of trend line we have. This is a breakout. This is a breakout. A breakout. See it? Like for example, can you see the distance here now? The range of distance. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't really matter as long as after 3 we have a touch. Yeah, that what really matters. The points 1 and 2 are closely range. They are close together somehow. While point 3 serves as an estimator signal or software or so that's that. To come to the types of SNR, then we go to the DC. I really want you to exploit this QMS here. They want you to exploit it very well. I want you to exploit it very well. Yeah, this is what when I did that time. QMS and it comes to the DC here. Really want to make this to be